So the engine sounds like it's got an exhaust leak maybe. A little bit of a rumble to it, but it's sporadic and it sounds almost like an ignition miss or something. No codes right now, but I noticed that after I put the air pipe on, but everything seems to be okay. But the idle's a little uneven, so maybe a hard ECU reset would do it some good. Being the air pipe has probably changed the airflow some, and I want to go ahead and replace the coil with the MSD coil I bought, and the wires as well. So that might improve things also. But I want to make sure I'm not still getting codes. So, not sure what that noise is. It's kind of a little bit loud, like maybe an exhaust issue. Not really sure.